Spring has sprung and Easter is on its way, and at Nasa's Nest today we're going to be turning Jellybean boxes into really fun shaker card elements that I'm going to use in my mini album. In shopping for treats for my granddaughter's Easter baskets, I came across some really adorable Jellybean at the Dollar Tree. Most people would think candy. I instantly looked at the box as a way I could incorporate it into my Easter mini album. It's really simple. What we're going to do is we're going to cut off the top and the bottom element. So you cut off the top and the bottom and the side flaps, but leave the rest of the box intact. But you want to make sure that you save the plastic wrapping because this is where you're going to put your shaker element. Fun tip, I like to use vitamin or medicine holders to hold my sprinkle elements that I put inside my shaker. I've got this really fun confetti, and you can add as little or as much as you would like. And you don't need to fill this thing all the way to the top. You just want to make it so that there's enough of an element peeking through. So the next trick, and what you're going to do, is I'm going to staple this. Now, the box, we're just going to grab our handy dandy Scotch tape, and you're just going to want to get this so that you have it up. You don't want to see the packaging. This would be adorable on a card front too. Well, at the Dollar Tree, I also came across this 4-pack or 3-pack of games, and we're going to turn this into a tag. I like using the multicolored indexes cards. Goal here is we're going to cut out basically this shape. Add a few more, just secure this baby down. We're going to take some fun ribbon from the Dollar Tree that's Easter themed. I'm going to put this at the top. This washi tape from the Dollar Tree as well reminds me of the decoration you would do across an Easter egg if you were decorating them. But these are really cute cards, and you can do them both ways. I like having options when I'm writing out. And all I'm going to do is stick this behind, and these are going to be added to the front and back covers of my mini album, which is made out of a Peeps Gummies candy box. Slide your tag in there. So you've got your 3D shaker event. When you adhere your plastic side, make sure that you make room for the tag to go behind it. And that is how you make Jellybean box shakers. If this is your first time here, thanks for joining us. If you like this type of content, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe so you'll be notified of my next video, and I truly appreciate all of your support.